you want to share a clickable link in your Facebook post on your iPhone or Android, for that you have to open up your Facebook and start a new post. Copy the link you want to share. It could be a YouTube video, a website, or anything else. I will use YouTube to copy a link as an example. Paste the link into your post. It will automatically generate a preview. Since the preview is now visible, the plain text link isn't necessary. So I will remove it and hit post. Once posted, head to your Facebook timeline, scroll down, and here you find your shared clickable link. Just click the link and it will take you directly to the YouTube website. And that's it. Now you know how to share a clickable link on Facebook. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.